Mechatronics and robotics. Two terms that sound like they belong together. And they do. Kind of. But they're not quite the same thing. The difference isn't dramatic, but it matters. Especially if you want to be fun at parties. Let's break it down simple. Mechatronics is the combination of mechanics, electronics, and software, working together to create machines that sense, decide, and respond. It's not about creating robots that walk or talk. It's more about building systems that just anonymously work. Think of the automatic doors at the grocery store, your car's anti-lock braking system, or that coffee machine that waits until you're in a rush, and suddenly insists on having its filters cleaned. None of these are robots in the usual sense. But they're all mechatronic systems, using sensors, logic, and control to do their job without needing constant input from you. It's not flashy, but it's everywhere. Robotics is like mechatronics, but with ambition. It's where machines get brains, and often a desire to roam your house unsupervised. Robots think, at least a little, often moves, and sometimes make decisions. For example, a mechatronic arm that can build a car? Robotics. A drone that avoids trees and follows your dog? Robotics. That autonomous vacuum cleaner that headbutts your furniture until the battery dies? Yep, still robotics. Barely. But here's the twist. All robots are mechatronic systems. But not all mechatronic systems are robots. Like your smart fridge has sensors, motors, and a display, but unless it's chasing you around the kitchen if you forget to close the door, it's not a robot. So why does knowing the difference matter? Because knowing the difference helps you sound smarter at parties, or job interviews, or just when your friend says, "Hey, isn't that thing a robot?" And you can say, "Technically, it's a mechatronic device with no autonomy," and then lose all your friends. But still, knowledge is power. Mechatronics is the broader field. Robotics is a branch of it, the one that moves, reacts, and often steals the spotlight. So next time you hear the terms used like they're the same, now you know better. And if you enjoy clear explanations like this, you know what to do.